Kua rite koutou. Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's Toi Time! Hōrake tātou!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching Toi Time, Mr. Daddy Longlegs rolling up to the ceiling. The sun it shines, the sun it shines, the sun it shines. Oh, Mama, Papa say you should go to school, learning so much fun. Can't wait to grow up and see the world with my own eyes. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's Toi Time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're rolling by it. We got Tama, Jojo, Wolfy, Oma and Mōhio, and we got Anika, Māori, we on my cuss. Aotearoa, tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on Toi Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! Māia! Tama! Jojo! Anika! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching Toi Time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time!
Whoa! Yeah. Kia ora, everyone. It's nice to see you. I'm Māia. Oh, yeah. Ko Jojo aho. Welcome.
Hey, ba.
Oh!
I'm Tama.
And I'm Oma.
And I'm Wolfy.
And we are the Toi Time whānau. Are you ready? Because today's show is all about dancing.
Ka whai koutou, nice dancing.
Thanks, Mōhio. We all look really different when we dance, but we all have lots of fun. Hey, Mōhio,
Aye, Māia.
what's the Māori word for dancing?
Kani is the Māori word for dance.
Thanks, Mōhio. Okay, whānau, are we ready to kani? Hit it.
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do.
Let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt. Run away, run away, run away, run away. Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end, it's the end, it's the end, it's the end. Karawi. Whoa!
Hi, Maya. I brought you the sticky tape you asked for.
Oh, thanks, Tama. If you could help me tape together this last square of cardboard, that would be really helpful.
Sure thing. What are you making?
Okay, well, it's a secret. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. All right, here we go.
Oh.
Oh, this looks like the wrong shape. What do you think? Okay, let's try the other one, shall we?
Nate.
Okay, fingers crossed. Perfect. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Woo-hoo! Ta-da! It's a dance floor! Yay! Who's ready to kani? Yeah! Tama. Good one, Jojo. Okay. Oh, yeah. Woo! Whoa! Okay, Jojo. Yay! So cool, Jojo.
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm on a treasure hunt. I'm looking for these amazing shiny coins. Want to come with me? Come on. We found our first one, cuzzies. Check it out. Let's go find some more. Come on. I found another one. Check it out. Let's see how many more we can find. Come on. Is it? Mama. I found another one. Yay. I see one over there. Let's go. Oh. Whee! Whoa! I can see one on the other side. I found it! Check it out. That's the buzz, my cuz. Ka kite.
Kua rite koutou.
Ai.
Whai mai.
Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi. Kia kotahira, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahira, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahira, tātou tātou e. Tātou tātou e. Hio e hei.
Kia ora! Would you like to play a game with us? It's called What's in the Box? You do? Great. Jojo's going to put her hand in the box and try to figure out what's inside. Kua rite koe? Ai. Kua rite koutou?
Okay. I can feel 2 round circle shapes with plaited string attached. Ooh, they're firm but squishy if you squeeze them. It feels like something I've seen at kapahaka. Are they poi?
Ai. Good guess, Jojo. One thing that we use poi for is in traditional Māori dance.
Can you show us some nekehanga poi, Māia?
Okay, sure, Jojo. All right, we have this one.
Wow.
Or a different mahi poi would be this one. Jojo, why don't you try with me?
Okay. Ah, he miharo e nei mahi, Māia. Oh.
And this mahi poi?
Oh.
Oh! Kei te whai koe, Jojo. Me mahi anō. Let's try again. Spin your poi high, re re te poi ki runga e. Spin your poi low, re re te poi ki raro e. Spin your poi fast, re re te poi kia tere. Spin your poi slow, re re te poi pōturi e. Now spin yourself round and round, stamp your feet on the ground. Ooh. Spin your poi high, spin your poi low, spin your poi fast, spin your poi slow. Now spin yourself round and round, stamp your feet on the ground, stop and take a breath. Tahi, rua, toru, catch. Oh, when I spin my poi, I feel free. Oh, re renga poi ki runga ki te rangi. Spin your poi near, re re te poi kia tata e. Spin your poi fa, re re te poi ki kona e. Spin your poi through the sky like a shooting star. Re re te tsumata kokiri e. Now spin yourself round and round, stamp your feet on the ground, stop and take a breath. Tahi, rua, toru, catch. Oh, when I spin my poi, I feel free. Oh, re renga poi ki runga ki te rangi. Teha! It's my favourite time of day. It's time for you and I to find out what our friends have been up to. Kua riri koutou.
Hi! We're on a dance group. We've been practicing some dance moves to Baby Shark.
3, 2, 1,
Hey, you know the song? Can we start to dance like a shark? What does a shark do? And does the shark go swimming? Swimming through the water.
I love dancing because it makes me feel good because I'm with all of my friends.
And now show me your best moves, whatever you want to do. Freestyle. Yay! Awesome work, everyone.
Bye!
Anei korua. Here you go.
Kia ora.
Oh, dancing makes me thirsty.
Me too.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Mikey.
Mikey? Mikey who?
My key doesn't fit the keyhole.
Oh! Buzz!
Yeah.
Hi, Buzz. The Kaz gets me every time you does. I mean, do. Come on, Buzz. What are you up to, Buzz?
You gotta work. You gotta oh, you see what I'm up to? Because it's Aotearoa time! Are you ready?
Yep.
Yep. Oh, come on.
I love Tākaro time. So what are we doing today, Buzz?
Oh, today we're going to be playing musical statues. All right, so this is how you play, all right? So when the music plays, you dance, all right? And then when the music stops, you stop. Okay? And if you keep dancing after the music stops, you're out. You got it?
Got it.
All right, last person dancing wins. Mōhio, can you please be in charge of playing and stopping all of the groovy tunes?
It would be my pleasure, Buzz.
Here we go.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh, you're a
Hard luck, Māia.
Oh, it's down to me and Tama. We run.
Five, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, no! Tama, you win! Oh, can we play again, please, Mōhio?
Boop, boop, doop, 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 doop. Doop, boop. Hee-hee. Doop, 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 doop. Doop, doop.
Whoa! You look like a robot.
Dancing robot.
Oh,
Boop, boop, boop,
tino
boop.
pai tera kani kani. Can you show me how to do that?
Oh, sure, Oma. Tahi, rua, toru, whā. Komo?
Guamo.
Doop, 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 doop.
Do 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 do
Doop, 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 doop.
do do do
Hey.
do do.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Let's try it in Māori. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope wai wai. Haringa whātu ki huaha e. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and head, shoulders, knees and head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, just like we practiced. Toru, rua, tahi. Oh. Oh. Oh, I think the batteries have gone flat. It's not playing any music.
Well, maybe we don't need it. I know. Let's ask Mōhio for help. Hey, Mōhio.
Hi, Māia.
Kia ora, Mōhio. Can you still dance if there's no music?
Ai kataia, of course you can. You can move your body to your own rhythm. Some dancers even make their own beat, like tap dancing.
Oh. Like this.
Oh. Or this. Oh! Thanks, Mōhio.
Oh, from the start.
Sure.
Testing 1, 2, is my mic on? Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing la 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 la. It's your favourite song. Oh, I love the song. It's got a good rhythm, don't you think? Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? Yes, you can sing le 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 le. It's your favourite song. Sorry, DJ, do you have any Anika more? Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? can sing lee, 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 lee. It's your favourite song. Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing lo 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 lo. It's your favourite song. Well, if you hear your favourite song, why don't you sing along? You can sing. It's your favourite song. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I wanna join a band. I wanna play music with my friends. I wanna join a band. Playing music makes me glad.
I wanna play the guitar. I'll play it slow and I'll play it fast. I wanna play the guitar. I'm gonna be a superstar. I wanna play the drums. I'll play a beat 'cause it's so much fun. I wanna play the drums. Watch my beat make people dance.
Clap your hands to the beat. Shake your hips and move your feet. Raise your voice along with me. Join the band, it's time to sing.
I wanna play the keys. I'm pretty good, don't you all agree? I wanna play the keys. Playing keys is quite a treat. I really love to sing. I'm singing loud and I'm singing sweet. I really love to sing. Won't you sing along with me?
I wanna join a band. I wanna play music with my friends. I wanna join a band. Playing music makes me glad.
Hi, Aotearoa, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again.